Hey guys, it's Gabriel, and I wanted to make a review video for you today about the product called Ministry of Freedom, otherwise known as MOF. This is done by John O. Armstrong, and it is a training tutorial course that is going to teach you how to make money online, how to become an affiliate marketer, and how to start using a bunch of tools that's going to help you have online success. So this product is available for purchase right now. And if you decide to purchase today, if you use my link down below, you will be able to get all my additional bonuses that I'm handing out with the product today, in addition to all the things that Jono's product will be giving to you as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through and show you firsthand what this looks like. I've taken this course myself, and I'm currently doing the same things he's talking about, and I'll show you how it is going for me, and also the back end when you actually have the course, what that's going to look like. But first, I'm going to show you the sales page so you can see that on your end, and we can talk a little bit more about the product itself. So Ministry of Freedom 2.0 is the product, and it's saying that from scratch to $10,000 a month in 60 days. So after 60 days, you should be able to start making $10,000 a month through some of the teachings that he's offering in this program. Now, here's the price. You see that there. I know that's a little bit steep at first when you look at it, but trust me, it's worth every penny if you are interested in making money online. We're going to go ahead and see that there's experience level that you can be a beginner or a marketing expert. You get lifetime access. It's free. And then you can have this as a job replacing lifestyle. It goes down to talk about now there's no experience needed, that there's measurable results in minutes, world-class tools and shortcuts, 24/7 support. They're showing testimonials here of people who have made money with Jono's program. And you're getting all these different things it's talking about here. The Ministry of Freedom Blueprint, it's telling that's a $2,000 value. You're getting 4 live coaching calls each week. That does happen. That's $2,400 value. You get a full year of membership and coaching. That's a $6,000 value. 24/7 support and networking, $2,000 value. There's testimonial videos here, tons of them. There's also bonuses that he's offering. As a first bonus, you're going to get sales 2 times per week. It says it's a game changer. Gives you an unfair advantage. I can tell you for sure, and I'll show you later on, that this does work and this does actually happen. You get bonus number 2, the done for you super funnel, make $1,200 commission per sale. And then you also get bonus number 3, a free $100 promo campaign credit. Again, all these things are things actually in there. I'll show them to you. The done for you program setup A to Z. You're also going to get bonus number 5, the 2-for-1 program access. You can get an extra login for someone else, a partner, a spouse, someone that can help you get your business going. That's a $1,497 value that's included for free. And then you're also going to get the ultimate launch booster, how to have a guaranteed top seller on your very first product launch. He teaches that, and I can show you where he talks about that, but that's awesome that you will be getting and happens. Also a joint venture profit accelerator. Instead of making 50% commissions, promoting his products, you'll get paid 100%. And that's going to be a $45,000 value, and you're going to be able to get that today for that $1,497. Again, I know it's quite a bit, but there's different ways to do it. There's installments of that $797. You can pay it all at one time and get access to all the different things that'll help you to even speed drive your progress with this program. And so it's definitely, again, it's worth the money if you're wanting to finally jump into the online money-making world. Again, there's a timeline to $5,000 in 22 days or less. You can go faster or slower. So there's 2 different methods. There's a paid version where you can pay for traffic, and there's one that you can do organically and build it a little bit slower. I'll show you those inside there. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Basically, he's willing to give you back all your money. If this does not work for you, he even has a plan in there where he's willing to give you back an additional $5,000 if you follow step by step what he tells you to do and you still don't have the results. He's willing to give you back some money on that. Of course, that's detailed out more on as you go further along into the sales page, but just know that's there. So let's jump into the actual back end here. And this is what it looks like when you log in. You go to my library here, and there's different stuff. Here's the support. Here's the Facebook group. You click on that, it'll take you into the Facebook. Request the Ministry of Freedom affiliate link, the password, all the back profile stuff. When you go to the library, you scroll down here and you'll see there's different things. There's the bonuses that he's offering, and then here's the community support tab. you just click on the view product on the Ministry of Freedom, and this is going to give you all the different stuff back here, right? So now you're going to have dashboard that talks about the Facebook group, the course introduction, the organic model. So if you're just going to go ahead and try to do this without spending a lot more money outside of your pocket now, then you go with this version, and it's going to have more tabs into here that show you the way to do that. It's going to give you the tools and applications. If you click on that and you go back in here, you're going to have a lot more. You're going to have a lot more stuff that it's showing you about what you're getting in all those. There's again quite a few here. You can see it's talking about the tools and applications, launch jacking. You just open those up and those go open there. You have email marketing, product launching, software research and outsourcing, how to do paid traffic. This option here will allow you to he'll show you how to set everything up to where it's automated. You pay some money for some ads, and it runs the ads. That way it sends your link sends traffic to your link to be, if they buy his product, which is what you're listening to this video about right now, the Ministry of Freedom. If someone else were to buy that, then it shows you how to actually set that up, and you can make a commission on that if that were to happen. But there's the paid traffic version there that shows you how to do that. And then there's also the organic model, which we talked about, which you can set up where you're not paying more out of pocket, anything, you're just setting it up organically and letting the profits build from there. And it shows you how to do all that stuff in here, guys. Like, John does a great job of explaining everything in detail and kind of giving you a really easy roadmap to follow, pretty much holding your hand and taking you step by step to figure these things out. There's a few things in here that are a little more technical, like in the week 9, what I just showed you, the paid traffic. There's some things that are in there that are kind of technical that, you can still do them if you're newer. You just have to be paying attention to making sure you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's to make sure that you set that up properly. But you can definitely do it as a newbie or someone that's experienced. But just know there's a little bit of stuff that's like that in some of these where it's a little more technical, but everything else is pretty much something you can easily do and figure out and set up. But again, he does a great job of kind of holding your hand, explaining how he's doing it, and you're able to really just see the back end of how this operates and looks. He shows you plenty of his own back end stuff where he's showing you his numbers of what he makes and the kind of products he's launched and the results there's been. And you just see for yourself, being around it, being in the Facebook groups and on his trainings, you can just see that these guys are legit. These guys are making money. These guys are actually doing stuff. There's people in his group making money. He's making money. You can just see that this stuff works. And that's one thing you'll notice the more you watch the trainings, the more you go through it and you're part of the Facebook group, you can see like, this is the real deal. This stuff works. So that's the main takeaway, going through these trainings and doing that I've kind of noticed and seen, and I just think that you'll see that for yourself as well. But let's go ahead and I want to show you. Okay, so just so you know, I started doing the organic stuff about like 10 days ago. Okay, so I got through the trainings, and like 10 days ago I started actually putting this stuff into practice. And so you can see for yourself. I'm going to show you my numbers now. It's nothing crazy yet, but it is still something to give you the understanding that this works, and that it will start to pick up, and you will start to have sales happening, and it's not going to be a waste of money. It's going to actually teach you a skill that can help you generate money. And so on the back end here, you can see my numbers. I'm logged in here on Warrior Plus, and it's going to have this little icon here that tells you if you have any sales. So you can see that I had a sale that recently happened. And again, these aren't jaw-dropping numbers, but still, it's what I've gotten over the last 13 days. So 13 days when I first had my first product or review, and I was able to make $22 on that one. I was able to make $11 on this one, and then $8 on this one a day ago. So I've already had 3. Again, it's not anything crazy. I can't retire from that, but obviously this has only been less than 2 weeks. Okay, so it's going to continue to grow. It's going to continue to start happening more and more often. I'm getting more and more experience, and you get more and more comfortable, and you start to figure this stuff out. So that's just raw numbers right there, guys. So just know that this stuff does work. You got to give it a little bit of time. If you're willing to put the time in and actually go through the steps that he's showing you, it's not just fluff. It's actually stuff that can work for you. And you can see on my back end right here, I'm showing you real raw statistics right there that you can use to hopefully make a decision. And then also, I'm going to go over right now the bonuses that you're going to get today if you go ahead and purchase with my link for this product. So again, these are all going to be free to you, and I'm going to, of course, just talk real quickly about the pricing again. It's going to be $14.97, or you can break those payments up into 2 payments of $7.97. It's telling you the different modules that you're going to be getting. I showed you all those in the back end when you open those up, and then the total value, which that should be costing, what you're going to get it for. And then we're going to go down to the actual bonuses. Okay, so there's going to be bonus number 1 right here. This is a introduction into affiliate marketing. So this is going to be another course, another one that you can use that's going to help you have a better understanding and get more of a grasp and a grip around affiliate marketing as a whole, and more things you can do and use to help start your affiliate marketing career. That's going to be one that and these bonuses, guys, these are stuff that people paid for in the past. These are things that people have bought in courses in the past, they paid for and they used, and they now are being offered to you for free. So you can go ahead and really boost yourself up and just start just like a rocket, going straight up into your new affiliate marketing and online money making world. So the next one's going to be how to explode your YouTube channel. It's going to be a training on that, on how to be able to actually get your YouTube channel to just explode. And so that's another one that you'll get. You're also going to be getting bonus number 3, which is the launch jacking. It's going to be, of course, the formula. It's showing a lot of stuff like that currently in this video, but it's also, in this Ministry of Freedom, but you're also going to get even more things to help hijack your way to success. That's by John Armstrong. Then you're going to be able to get the banking with bonuses. So it's going to show you how to offer bonuses, just like I'm doing with you guys right now, how to get these bonuses as a way to start making you a ton more money. So this bonus course is going to show you the ins and outs of that and how to actually generate more money with those bonuses. And then you're going to be able to have all the bonuses that Jono's course is offering to you, like we discussed just a second ago. There was 7 of them. Those are all coming in this as well. So there's going to be a ton of value given to you today. All those bonuses are free, and they're going to be given to you on the back end. Once you purchase the product, you'll see like a little button like that says access to affiliate bonuses. You'll click that, and then you'll be able to get access to those bonuses. So that way you can go ahead and start getting yourself on the right path to making money online. I showed you guys my stuff. Again, I'm on my way. I'm still working through it, but I definitely know that if you guys follow the steps and purchase this product, you won't regret it. It's going to be a serious investment in yourself and being able to really start to get to that point, and it's just a matter of time. So if you guys are serious about that, then I definitely recommend this product for you. It's been good for me so far. I've learned a ton, and it's a skill that you can never take away. Even if my sales stop today, what I've learned so far would be totally worth the money, so that way I can pursue other things in this whole affiliate marketing world. So I absolutely recommend and think that it is worth it. So that's it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Until next time, thanks.